Biden needs to fire his Russia advisors. These are the advisors that were there when Obama was president, and he needed some experienced people with regards to Russia. Along with Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, they famously said we need a reset our relationship with Russia and Putin. Well, they got that horribly wrong because Putin had invaded Crimea and really did not face any consequences. That was the first mistake. The second mistake was to promote these people into advisors again when Vice President Biden became President Biden, and relying on the same advisors that got Putin wrong in the first place. They are getting Putin wrong again, and they need to have a reset of those advisors because Ukraine needs to fight a war with no constraints. They need to be able to take on Putin on Russian territory because that's the only thing that a person like Putin understands. When he suffers the same consequences as the Ukrainian people do. And don't forget that the Ukrainian people are fighting the war on our behalf because Putin is not going to stop with Ukraine. He wants to take back all the countries, like the Baltic countries, and he wants to be able to control Eastern Europe as well. He wants them to be afraid of him, and we cannot allow that to happen. So Europe needs to step up, America needs to step up and really take the war to Putin himself, because that's the only way that can stop him. And also, as members of the UN, you cannot allow one UN country to basically go in and do a land grab of another UN country. So we have to think about that. There are some broader ramifications here. And if that means killing Putin, rumor has it that Ukrainians actually had him in his sight in St. Petersburg, but America told the Ukrainian secret service or forces not to do that. That could have been a whole different signal we could have sent to the world when you have these villainous dictators trying to take on the free and democratic world. Is that we send a signal: if you do that, we will execute you, and we might even take over your country and have a new constitution. We need to send that strong signal. So Biden, please fire your Russian advisors that got Russia wrong not once but twice.